Hello guys and welcome to this new Power BI tutorial. In this video I'm going to create a sales dashboard for BMW for its total sales from 2010 to 2024. As you can see, I'm going to create different KPIs. We have bar chart, donut charts, we have GMap, and we have also stacked bar chart. You can find the link in description to download this dataset directly from Kaggle. And as you can see, it contains data or sales information for BMW vehicles from 2010 to 2024. So we have columns such as the model, the year, the engine size, the mileage, transmission type, fuel type, etc. So here we can see the table or the data. So we have the model, we have the year, the region, the color, fuel type, transmission, so we have automatic or manual, price, US dollars, sales volume, and sales classification. For me, as usual, I will just create a new page, and to import the data, click on connect, and it will be text CSV. So after importing the data, the first thing that we are going to do is to create the KPIs, and to do that, we click on new card. So the first one, it will be top region by sales. So to do that, we have to select region, top N, top 1. We have total units sold. So to do that, we have the sum of sales volume. All right. So if we drag and drop region into the fields, we have Egypt. Now we just need to format that. So we have 25, and we have here 10 or 9. So all the colors will be black, as we have the logo in black and blue, right, and also white. We need to add the border in black, rounded corners 10. All right, so now we just need to copy paste this one. So we have 6 in total. Okay, now we select all of them, press Ctrl key and select all the KPIs or the cards, format, line, distribute horizontally. You can also select all of them one more time and shift them a little bit to the right so that everything will be centered, right? So the second KPI, it will be the percentage of the electric vehicles, okay, or EV share in percentage. And to do that, click on EV share, right? And to create this measure, right, we have the following formula. So create a new measure, EV share in percentage equals to, we need to divide the total sales in US dollars where fuel in, right, is electric or hybrid. So basically write divide, calculate the sum of BMW price USD. So this is the total sales in US dollars where the fuel in electric hybrid divided by the total, and we multiply by 100. So it will be a percentage. So you can use this formula to create the EV share, right? As you can see, we have more than half of the total sales in US dollars are electric vehicles, right? Next, we have total units sold. We just need to remove the filter here because it's not applied, right? And same thing for the remaining. All right. So the next one, it will be total units sold. So to do that, we do the sum of sales volume, right? So we rename it as total units sold, right? You can put it with 2 decimal numbers. Next we have top model by sales, right? So here, instead of choosing, for example, the sales in US dollars, we can choose the volume. And same thing, to create that, we have model to the filters. So top N, select the first one, and we have sales volume. Apply. Basically, drag and drop the model into the fields, right? So we have 7 series, which is top model by sales, right? We just rename it. Okay. Next we have total revenue, right? So basically it will be the sum of price. So total US dollars. And the last one, it will be the average price per unit. Same thing for that, we just need to do the average of the price. So basically we have average, we rename it average price per unit in US dollars. Okay, so here we have our KPIs. We can also increase or put decimal numbers in here. So we have 2 decimal places. So in total we have the first region from 2010 to 2024 for BMW is Asia in terms of sales in US dollars. When it comes to EV share, we have more than 50%. Total units sold, we have more than 250 million. Top model by sales, we have 7 series. Total revenue in US dollars, we have 3.75 billion. And the average price per unit in US dollars is 75K, right? Now same thing, I will insert the logo. You can find also the link to download the logo directly from my GitHub repository, right? So click on image. So we just need to put it in center like this. You can also add the border, right? 10. All right. Next we have total sales by year in US dollars. So create new bar chart or column chart. So here we have the year on the x-axis, and we have total sales. All right. Now we can just put all the values in black. Don't need the title, right? Same thing for y-axis. Don't need the title, and the values will be in black. Display units, you can put millions, right? Now for the blue, want to use exactly the same color as the logo. So to do that, we have just to click on columns, color, more colors. All right, so we have 00ACEC, right? So it is the blue in the BMW logo, right? Now we just need to change the title, total sales by year in US dollars. Put it in the center. All right, grid lines off, and here we have the total sales by year. All right, and also the border, round corners 10. Okay, next we have total sales in US dollars and also total units by year. So we have bar chart and line chart in the same graph, right? So basically you copy paste this one, we select line and clustered column chart. So for the bars we have total sales in US dollars, and on the line axis we'll have the volume. So we have the volume, right? Now here the title, total, right? Same thing here. So we have total sales in USD and total units. Okay, now you just need to modify the legend. It will be top center, right? Text, it will be in black. Now for the colors, we have the blue for the bars and black for the line. All right, here we have total sales USD, and here we have total units. Okay, so basically we have almost 250 million on average when it comes to total sales in US dollars per year, right? And when it comes to the number of units, we have in 2022 the highest value, right? So we have 17.9 million, and the lowest value it is in 2023 16.3 million, right? Next we have donut charts, right? So basically you create donut chart, it will be total sales by region. So we have the region and we have total sales in US dollars, right? Now we just need to modify text black 8, so maybe increase a little bit. All right, so we have total sales by region, border, we have total sales by region USD, be the center. Now for the labels, same thing, black. And for the slices, we need to choose the colors. So put everything in blue. So put the darker to the lighter ones. So this one, for example, you can choose this gray. All right. So as you can see, on average, we have mostly 600 and something in millions. So most of them, they have 639, we have 626, 26, 25, 19, and 18, right? So have almost the same value when it comes to total sales. Just for the legend, I need to remove the title. Okay, so the next one, it would be another donut chart. Put it here. All right, which will be total sales by fuel type, right? So instead of the region, fuel type. All right, so go to the title, fuel type. Same thing, we just need to modify the slices. Okay, just for the title here. Next we have two tree maps. So we have one for models by units sold and the other one is models by total sales. So create tree map here. We have category is model, and the first one, it will be total sales in US dollars. Okay, so general, background 10, title models by total sales USD. Okay, it will be in the center black. And when it comes to the color, basically we have gradient, all right, lighter to the darker. Okay, all right, next one, it will be models by units sold. So here, instead of price, we put the volume. As you can see, if you put the labels on, we have 7 series comes in the first position for both sales in US dollars and total units. All right, next we have two stacked column charts. So the first one, it will be total units by region and transmission. So stacked column chart, right? So basically it will be on the x-axis we have the region, on the y-axis we have total units, right, sum of sales volume, and on the legend we will have the fuel type. All right, now we just need to modify that. Put 10. Now for the legend, we remove the title, top center, and it will be black. Now for the x-axis, we don't need the title, and the value should be black. Same thing for the y-axis, don't need the title and the value in black. Now we have total units by region and fuel type. Okay, center. Same thing for the colors. Just need to change colors. So put everything, same thing in blue. All right, as you can see, we have also most of them, they have almost the same percentage. So we have like 24-25%. Need to remove the lines. And the last one, it will be total units by region and transmission. Okay, so here instead of fuel type we'll have transmission, right? So we have same thing, 50-50, almost 50%. Last thing that we need to do is that we need to modify the titles, right? So all of them, they will have black background and white text. Text white, so that we have the same thing as the logo. Okay, now if you close everything, we have exactly the same dashboard. For the insights of this dashboard, I will put all the details in description as the overall insights and also the insight chart by chart. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.